Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a world of crisp sound and deep bass as we unveil the best 4x6 INCHCAR speakers. If you're tired of mediocre sound quality during your daily drives, you've come to the right place. We'll explore the top models that pack a punch without breaking the bank. Whether you're a casual listener or a budding audiophile, these speakers promise to elevate your ride. Stick around as we break down performance, installation tips, and everything you need to know to make an informed choice. Ready to transform your car's audio experience? Let's jump right in. Number 5. SCAR Audio RPX46. A powerhouse in sound engineering that brings studio-quality audio to your vehicle. With a peak power handling of 150 watts per pair, 75 watts each. These speakers deliver crisp and clear sound that will elevate your driving experience. The advanced microfiber paper cone, combined with a butyl rubber surround, ensures durability and exceptional sound quality. Featuring a 20mm soft dome silk tweeter, you'll enjoy highs that are both smooth and detailed. The impressive frequency response of 40 to 25,000 Hz, along with a sensitivity of 91 dB, promises a rich, immersive listening experience, making them the best 4x6 INCHCAR speakers on the market today. Installation is a breeze with a wired connection designed for easy car mounting. With an Amazon customer rating of 4.5. It's clear that the SCAR Audio RPX46 has won the hearts of many audio enthusiasts. Upgrade your car's sound system today and feel the difference on every drive. Number 4. Pyle Car 3-Way Speaker System, which delivers an impressive 180 watts of maximum output power. Perfectly engineered as the best 4x6 INCHCAR speakers. These components embrace a frequency response of up to 20 kHz for a crisp and engaging audio experience. Designed with a durable 30-ounce magnet structure, these speakers ensure high sound resonance while being easy to install with a 2-inch mount depth that fits standard OEM sizes. The non-pressed paper cone and specially treated foam edge suspension work together to produce powerful sound while protecting your equipment. Plus, with a robust 2.5-inch Captain voice coil, these speakers resist corrosion, ensuring longevity for your car audio system. With Amazon customer ratings of 4.1, the Pyle Car 3-Way Speaker System is a fantastic addition for any car, boat, or RV. Get ready to enjoy your favorite tunes like never before. Number 3. Cerwin Vega HED Series 4 inches by 6 inches 2-way coaxial car speakers. Recognized as one of the best 4x6-inch car speakers on the market today, these speakers boast a powerful yet clear sound, combining 30 W RMS power with an impressive 275 W maximum output, delivering stunning audio performance every time you hit the road. Crafted with a durable stamped steel frame and a 1.0-inch balanced PI dome tweeter, they provide crystal clear highs, while the enhanced graphite cone ensures deep, resonant bass. The Cerwin Vega HED series offers exceptional frequency response up to 20 kHz, making your favorite tunes come alive. With a seamless integration into your car's audio system, they not only sound great, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your interior. With an Amazon customer rating of 4.4, these speakers are perfect for anyone seeking an upgrade that truly elevates their driving experience. Number 2. Kicker CS Series CSC46 4x6-inch coaxial speakers. These speakers are a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's sound quality. Boasting an impressive maximum output power of 150 watts and a frequency response that reaches up to 20,000 Hz. You'll experience remarkable performance with ultra-clean bass. Designed with a heavy-duty motor/magnet structure and EVC, extended voice coil. Enjoy deeper lows like never before. The speakers fit seamlessly into almost any make or model, thanks to their reduced mounting depth. Constructed with a stamped steel frame, a rigid polypropylene cone, and zero protrusion PI tweeters. They're built to last. Plus, the UV-treated polyfoam surround resists heat and sunlight, ensuring durability in any environment. With neodymium tweeter magnets, expect increased volume in high frequencies. Rated at 4.5 stars on Amazon. The Kicker CS Series CSC46 speakers are truly the best 4x6 INCHCAR speakers available. Perfect for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate. The Punch P1462 4 inches by 6 inches two-way coaxial full-range speakers are a must-have for any audio enthusiast seeking the best in sound quality for their vehicle. With a maximum output power of 70 watts and a robust frequency response starting at 90 Hz. These speakers deliver crisp and dynamic audio that will elevate your listening experience. Designed for easy installation, the P1462 comes in a convenient pair and includes essential mounting hardware and an owner's guide, ensuring you can upgrade your factory sound system with minimal hassle. The durability and renowned build quality from Rockford Fosgate are backed by a full 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.6, it's clear that these speakers are a popular choice among car audio fanatics. If you're searching for the best 4x6 INCHCAR speakers, the Rockford Fosgate P1462 should be at the top of your list. In conclusion, choosing the best 4x6-inch car speakers can significantly enhance your driving experience with superior sound quality and clarity. Consider factors like power handling, sensitivity, and frequency response to make the right choice for your vehicle. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect speakers that match your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more helpful content. Safe travels and enjoy your music.